How to get Uber Eats promo code. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and redeem free coupon codes for Uber Eats. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your preferred web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in Uber Eats promo code. You will see a lot of websites. Tap on any one of them. Then you will be displayed a list of all the coupon codes. If you would like to view any one of them, just tap on View Coupon and just copy it. In case you would like to redeem this code right away, tap on Visit Uber Eats. Now, in case you have an account, just tap on Continue to App, but if you don't, tap on Continue to Website. Now at this page, get logged into your Uber Eats account, and while making a purchase, you can just paste the code and redeem it. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.